Day 2, you're sore from yesterday. Good. That means you showed up. That means yesterday was real. Most dads over 40 skip back day. You know why? You can't see your back in the mirror. Out of sight, out of mind. So you train the chest, the arms, the stuff you can flex in the bathroom, and you ignore the muscle that's actually holding you up. But here's what they don't tell you. A wide back makes your waist look smaller instantly before you lose a single pound, and your back is one of the biggest muscle groups you've got. Bigger muscle, bigger calorie burn. I'm 46. I started at 225. I couldn't keep up with my kid. My back hurt. My energy was gone. And the day I started training my back the right way, everything changed. The way I stood, the way I felt, the way I looked in my own clothes. So let me walk you through day 2, 2 exercises, and I'm going to tell you exactly why each one matters for stripping that dad bod off your frame. Seated machine row, compound pull movement, lats, rhomboids, rear delts, biceps, all firing at once. Why does that matter for weight loss? Your back is one of the largest muscle groups you have. Train it and you burn serious calories. More muscle working means more energy demanded. More energy demanded means more fat coming off. Sit tall, chest up. Drive your elbows back. Don't yank with your arms. Pull from the back. Breathe. Shake it out. This rest right here isn't weakness. It's part of the work. Recovery is where the muscle decides to grow. While you catch your breath, hear me. You don't have to be perfect today. You just have to be here. Showing up tired beats staying home fresh every single time. And for men over 45, here's what nobody talks about. You spend all day hunched forward, driving, on the phone, looking down at your kid, looking down at a screen. Years of that, and you start walking around looking older than you actually are. Rows pull you back, literally. They undo the dad hunch. I picked the machine for a reason. At 46, your lower back's already tired from picking up kids and hauling groceries. The machine gives you the same back building effect without loading your spine. Sit, brace, pull, smart, not reckless. Good. 2 down. Notice your posture already sitting a little taller. That's not in your head. That's the muscle waking up. Here's what you can't see right now. Every time you squeeze those shoulder blades together at the top, you're building a muscle that burns calories around the clock. While you drive home, while you eat dinner, while you sleep. After 40, you lose 3 to 5% of your muscle every decade if you don't fight for it. The back shrinks, the shoulders round forward, and your waist looks wider, not because you gained fat, but because your back disappeared. This right here, this is you fighting back. Pull, squeeze, rebuild. 1 set left on the rows. Don't check out now. The first 3 sets were the deposit. The last one's the interest. Last set, this is where the change happens, not the first 3. Right here, the last set, when your grip's fading, when your forearms are screaming, when the voice in your head says, good enough, rack it. That voice, that's the same voice that put 50 pounds on you. Don't listen to it today. Push through. That burn between your shoulder blades right now, that's your posture 28 days from now. That's your frame getting wider so your waist looks leaner. Every rep is money in the bank. 2 more. Come on. 1 more. Hold that squeeze. Now set it down. Back's done. Stand up. Roll those shoulders back. Chest open. Feel that? You're already standing taller than you walked in. Now we finish with arms. And don't get it twisted. This isn't vanity. Let me show you why. Standing alternating curls. You're standing for a reason. It forces your core to brace. Every rep, your abs work just to keep you upright. Arms and core at the same time. That's efficiency. You're a busy dad. You don't have 2 hours to kill in here. Control it down. Don't swing. The slow part, the lowering, that's where the muscle's really working. And grip strength, listen to this. Grip strength is one of the strongest predictors of longevity in men over 40. The research backs that up. Stronger grip, longer life. Every time you squeeze that dumbbell at the top, you're not just building an arm, you're buying time. Alternating means one arm works while the other rests. More time under tension, more muscle broken down, more rebuilding. And rebuilding muscle keeps burning calories for hours after you walk out that door. That's the afterburn. You'll be sitting on the couch tonight, and your body will still be torching fuel from this set right here. Squeeze. Lower, slow. Squeeze the other side. 1 set left. The whole day comes down to this. Anybody can start a workout. Finishers are different. Today, you finish. Last set. Let me tell you the real reason arms matter for weight loss. And it's got nothing to do with the mirror. Every pound of muscle you add burns about 6 extra calories a day, even at rest. Sounds small, right? But stack 5 pounds of muscle across your body. That's 30 calories a day, every single day, doing absolutely nothing. Over a year, that's a few pounds of fat gone just from carrying more muscle than you used to. That's the secret. Nobody sells you. You're not just burning fat in this gym. You're building an engine that burns it for you the other 23 hours of the day. Last few reps, make them count. This is the set you'll remember. Squeeze, hold, done. Day 2 is done. Machine rows to pull your shoulders back and widen your frame. Curls for the armor and the afterburn, both of them working together to strip that dad bod off your body, one day at a time. You're 2 days in, 28 to go. Listen, I came from an environment with very little cheerleading. Nobody was clapping for me. I had to get up on my own. So if nobody told you today, I see you. You showed up, that counts. You want to see what you do when you're tired. Let me see how you push yourself. Get up. Get up again tomorrow. Get up again the day after that. Day 2, done. See you on day 3.